In today's fast-paced business environment, having the right technological infrastructure is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Organizations of all sizes rely on sophisticated software solutions to manage their diverse operations, from finances and accounting to customer relationships and project management. One term that frequently arises in these discussions is ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System. Understanding what constitutes an ERP and whether a particular software solution fits this definition is crucial for businesses making strategic technology decisions. This brings us to the central question: is Sage Intacct an ERP? To answer this question definitively, we first need to establish a clear understanding of what an ERP system truly is. At its core, an ERP system is an integrated software suite designed to manage and automate core business processes. Think of it as a central nervous system for your organization, connecting various departments and functions into a single, unified platform. A true ERP typically encompasses a broad range of modules, including financials, accounting, human resources, supply chain management, manufacturing, customer relationship management, CRM, and project management. The key differentiator of an ERP is its ability to provide a holistic view of the business, enabling seamless data flow, improved collaboration, and enhanced decision-making across the entire organization. Now, let's turn our attention to Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is a leading cloud-based financial management system. It excels in providing robust accounting capabilities, including general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, and financial reporting. Its strengths lie in its sophisticated financial controls, real-time visibility into financial performance, and its ability to handle complex accounting structures. Many businesses, particularly those with intricate financial requirements, find Sage Intacct to be an invaluable tool for managing their financial health. However, when we compare Sage Intacct's feature set to the broad scope traditionally associated with a full-fledged ERP system, some distinctions become apparent. While Sage Intacct offers powerful financial management capabilities and integrations with other business systems, it doesn't inherently include native modules for all the functions typically found within a comprehensive ERP. For instance, it doesn't have built-in modules for manufacturing, extensive supply chain management, or native CRM functionalities in the same way that some larger ERP systems do. This doesn't diminish the power and value of Sage Intacct. In fact, its specialization in financial management is a significant strength for many organizations. Sage Intacct is often described as a best-of-breed financial management system, meaning it focuses on providing exceptional capabilities within its core domain. It leverages its open API application programming interface to seamlessly integrate with other best-of-breed solutions for areas like CRM, e.g., Salesforce, HR, e.g., ADP, and project management, e.g., various specialized tools. This allows businesses to build a tailored technology ecosystem by choosing the best software for each specific need and connecting them through integrations. Therefore, the answer to whether Sage Intacct is an ERP isn't a simple yes or no. It's more accurate to describe Sage Intacct as a powerful and leading cloud-based financial management system that can form the financial backbone of an organization's technology landscape. While it might not encompass the entire breadth of modules traditionally associated with a comprehensive ERP in a single native platform, its robust financial capabilities and its ability to integrate seamlessly with other best-of-breed solutions allow businesses to achieve the interconnectedness and data visibility that are hallmarks of an effective ERP strategy. Think of it this way: a traditional large-scale ERP is like an all-in-one Swiss Army knife, offering a multitude of tools within a single device. Sage Intacct, on the other hand, is like a set of specialized, high-quality financial tools that can be perfectly combined with other equally excellent tools for different purposes. Both approaches have their advantages, depending on the specific needs and complexity of the organization.